Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2017 Audi Q3 Premium. This is the 2.0 turbo and it is actually really fun to drive. Same motor pretty much that's in the GTI. Good amount of rear seat room. Cortina white is the exterior color. I'm trying to see if they left the sticker in here. Doesn't look like it, but you have all your manuals. Really kind of neat. It's kind of a ratcheting. Pretty cool. Interior is nice because this is the premium. Here is your garage door opener. Nice panoramic sunroof. Love this brown leather too. Everything in here is just really nice. Believe this is based on the same exact platform that's on the A3 Audi, and likewise the A4. Actually, no, the Q5 is the A4, so it's actually just the A3. Rides pretty well over those train tracks. This is one of our certified pre-owned vehicles, which comes with a ton of benefits, such as 1 year of 24/7 emergency roadside assistance, 1 year of travel expense reimbursement, and 1 year of tire hazard protection. The Q3 is Audi's smallest SUV that we get here in North America. But that doesn't mean it's the worst. In sport mode, the transmission is not afraid to let it rev out. And it just wakes the whole car up. It's really nice. My favorite mode is manual mode because it provides really a nice in-between between drive and sport mode. I do love the steering wheel too. It feels great to the touch. Brake pedal feel is great. Definitely a really, really nice car. Handling, actually really good for an SUV. Definitely expected it to be a little bit more top heavy, but it definitely surprised me in a good way. This thing is really, really fun to drive. The seats are extremely comfortable. I've been driving this for almost an hour now, and I've had no complaints. Alright. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.